What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, it's Mahlon Tane. And today we're having a little situation here. We've been getting a lot of rain today. Also, a lot of strong winds to the point our tomatoes branches are breaking. So, what I've decided to do, since we're out of containers, so we really don't have nowhere to put them. And I want to try to save these because just look at that stalk on that thing. And plus, on top of that, it's trying to root out. So for those that already know, yes indeed, we're finna do this. Alright, so I picked a spot right here. The reason I picked it, as you can see, is we've been getting a lot of rain. That's probably like a half an inch to a quarter inch of rain. Probably about a half an inch. Anyway, so this is our broken piece of tomato plant that we want to try to save. So what I'll do is just go ahead and remove these branches and these try to clean it up. So we're gonna end up with something looking like that. All right. And normally I would go ahead and do something with this nub right here, but I'm gonna try to shoot for these little roots to come on out. And so another thing, this is just regular dirt and grass. Okay, so, and it's damp, so the dirt is real soft. So all I'm gonna do is get my index finger and poke it down there. If you want to get a stick, get you a stick. Try to get your entire finger down there. Okay, and I'm just going to stick the plant in that hole. And there it is. Now, I'm not 100% sure it'll work, but just so y'all know, that's my little disclaimer. Like I said, I just want to try to save this big branch. Matter of fact, there's another branch right here, another big one, and another one. So I'm just trying to save these plants. Now, whether they make it, all praise to the Most High. If they don't, all praise to the Most High. I just want to try to save these plants. Know what I mean? So this is the mama plant where the big stalk came from. As you can see, she has some flowers happening on with her, or going on with her. I have not trimmed the bottom, none at all. I'm allowing them to grow wild as they can. They're doing all right until the wind got to blowing, because they're so chunky. But we got a few more plants over here, like these right here, that has a bunch of different size stems and stalks. As you can see, this one down here, she's climbing on down. Yep, We got a little break that we docked up right there. And she's still bouncing up. So just trying to save these tomato plants, know what I mean? And at the same time keep going. See, like this one. All those tapes. But that's it, folks. I just want to show you guys how we're attempting to save some of our broken tomato branches to try and get more out of them. And here go Eiffel right here. See, she just leaned back. For real. She just leaned back. She chilling. But all these other ones, they seem to be doing all right. And it's like a swamp down here, which is a plus. So I'll let y'all know how these three turn out. One right there, one right there, one right there. But I'm gonna be going over these and triple check them, see if we got any more broken branches. And I'm gonna let y'all go. I know y'all got a lot of better things to do. And we really appreciate y'all tuning in and checking us out. All praise to the Most High, you know. And remember, you can do it too. On that note, till next time.